Okay, guys, so good morning. So, because we just have woken up and it's Scotching in Karachi, so that's why I took shower immediately. But Hiba Fatma has to start her morning. Now, tell me, Hiba Fatma, what will you do now?
I will go to washroom.
Okay,
I will brush my teeth.
okay,
I will wash my face.
very good. So, meanwhile, I will make your breakfast. Okay, but now you need to tell me that what will you have for your breakfast?
I want mango shake.
You want mango shake for your breakfast? That's amazing because we have summers in Karachi, so that's why these days we are drinking mango shake for our breakfast. Very good, Hiba Fatma. So you go to washroom, freshen up, and I'll make your breakfast. Okay? Okay, cool. What happened to you, Hiba Fatma? Why aren't you going to washroom?
I don't want to go to washroom. I want to play.
Oh, but baby, first we always go to washroom, then we brush our teeth, then we have something, we breakfast, and then after that we play. So what happened now? No, 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 come on, go to washroom first, brush your teeth properly, and then we will play. Come on, high five, give me a big smile, baby. Yay! Oh wow, Hiba Fatma, who gave you this flower? Annie gave this flower to you. Okay, but it's time to take shower. Are you excited? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, because Hiba Fatma likes to take shower. Very good.
I like this plant.
Okay, no problem. So you can keep this flower. No worries at all. But first you need to take shower and after that you can play with this flower. Okay, very good. So because we are going to take shower now, Hiba Fatma. So first of all you need to take out your clothes that you will wear. Okay. So what are you going to wear? Come on, open the cupboard. Very good. And take out your favorite clothes that you want to wear today. Yeah, come on. Okay, so that's the shirt that you will wear. Okay, and what about your trouser? What will you wear? Your trouser. Yeah, you can take out some shorts as well if you want to. Any short.
No. Kaisa will come.
Okay, Karisa will come. No problem. So you can take out trouser. Come on, speed up, speed up. Okay, bravo. So this is the trouser and this is the t-shirt. Very good. Amazing. Clap for yourself, Hiba Fatma. Yay. Okay, Hiba Fatma. So can you tell me that how will you take shower?
I will wash my head. I will wash my body.
Okay. How will you wash your body and how will you wash your hair? With what thing?
I will wash my hair with a shampoo.
Okay.
I will wash my body with the body wash.
Very good.
Then I will play little.
Okay.
And then I will come out.
Uh-huh.
And then I will watch TV.
Wow, sounds like a plan. Come on, let's go and take shower. Yay! Kids are kids. So because Hiba Fatma was not willing to go to washroom and freshen up, so that's why I told her that you can directly go to washroom and take shower. So that's why there was a sudden change in the plan. But no worries at all because kids are kids and it's summer vacation. So I do not pressurize my kid. In fact, I allow her to do whatever she wants to do. So because today she didn't want to go to washroom and freshen up, so I didn't force her, but I actually gave her this permission that that's okay. You can go to washroom and take shower and then you can have your milkshake. So that's all, and right now I'm on it. So meanwhile I was making her breakfast, I also thought that I can also have that same milkshake. So I added some extra mango chunks. And it's Elsa and Anna's favorite glass. Here we come. Okay, Hiba Fatma, so have you taken shower?
Yes, I have taken shower.
Very good. Now what are you doing?
I'm drinking my mango shake.
Very good. And how's the taste? Hmm?
Yummy.
It's yummy? Okay, very good. I've also put some ice cubes as well.
Okay. I
Ah,
can't see.
you can't see because they have been dissolved now. That's why you can't see them. But
There
is it
are
cold or it is cold or is it hot?
cold.
It is cold, yes, definitely.
They are broken in small pieces.
Yes, yes, definitely. Because I've touched them. That's nice. Amazing. Okay, so sit down properly and properly finish your milkshake. Okay, baby.
Milkshake, no? Mango shake.
Okay, mango shake. Okay, but Fatma, so now are you getting bored?
Yes.
Okay, so now what do you want to watch?
I want to watch Diana and Tama.
Okay, very good. Do you like Diana and Roma?
Yes.
Very
They
good.
are so funny.
Yes, and they are brother and sisters.
Yes.
Yes, and they talk a lot. They play with each other as well.
Yes. They
Right?
play with their small baby too.
Okay, with your little brother, younger brother.
Little baby.
Yes,
It's Oliver.
Oliver. Yes, so Oliver is their younger brother, right?
Younger brother.
Yes.
A
so they
small
play-
brother.
Yes, they play with their little brother, younger brother. Very good. Okay, so now Hiba Fatma is watching her favorite cartoon, and that is Diana and Roma. But Hiba Fatma, it is only for 15 minutes, not more than that. Promise
Okay,
me?
Mama. Promise. It's only for 15 minutes.
Very good, baby, because too much screen is not good for you, for your eyesight. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's take a break and enjoy Diana and Roma. Okay, guys, so now it's our creativity time, and Hiba Fatma wants to draw something. Hiba Fatma, what do you want to draw?
Mom, I want to show one magic to you
Okay, very good. What is that magic?
in the sky.
Yes. But I want you to draw something.
Okay.
Can you draw something?
Yes.
Very good. So now tell me, what do you want to draw?
I want to draw a girl
Okay.
and another girl. They are go for a walk.
They are going for a walk. Okay, very good. Then draw two girls and then show me that how are they going for a walk. Okay, very good. And please tell me that what are you drawing?
Girls.
Okay, so that's a girl. Very good.
And she has triangle bow.
Okay. Oh my god. And she's wearing a bow.
Triangle one.
Triangle bow. Wow, amazing. That's so creative, Hiba.
And this girl
Hmm.
has
Hmm.
a hard bow.
Oh, she's wearing a hard bow. Amazing. Come on, come on, come on. Show me, show me, show me.
Wait. I'm doing something.
Awesome. That's amazing. That's wonderful. Oh my god. Look at these girls. They are so beautiful, Hiba Fatma.
happy.
They are looking very happy. Exactly. And they are going for a walk. Aren't they? Yes. Wow. Amazing.
Mama, I want to show you one more magic.
Okay. Very good. Show me then.
Look, they are not falling down.
Oh my god. Literally, they are not falling down. Very good. How did you do that, Hiba Fatma?
Because they are magnets.
Ah, so clever. So that's a technique. High five, come on. Very good, amazing. Yes, Abba Fatma. So, what do you want to read today?
I want to read these two books.
Oh my god, these two books. Okay, but first we need to read this book, and then at night I will read you these books. Okay? Is that okay?
Yay.
Okay, very good. Now, please give it to me. Thank you. One book. Okay, so that's a pie prize. Okay, and I remember that we have purchased it from Bacha Party, right? So these are very good and very amazing
and what
books.
is-
Yeah, that's the museum mishap. Okay, so that's Billy and Billy. Let's see that what have they done. And that's a pie prize. So basically, they are quite trouble kids and they always trouble everyone. So let's see what's inside these books. But first of all, we need to read this book. Okay, so Hiba Fatma, are you excited?
Yay.
Very good. So it's time to wake up. Very good, Hiba Fatma. So I'll ask you some questions from these book, right? From this particular book, and you have to reply me. Okay, so Hiba, where is father in this picture? Can you tell me where is father in this picture?
Father is still in bed.
Yes, exactly. Here is father, and he's still in bed. Okay, Hiba. So can you tell me that what mother is doing?
Mother is drawing the curtains.
Very good, amazing. Mother is drawing the curtains. Amazing. Okay, and what about Suzanne? Where is Suzanne in this picture and what is she doing?
She.
She
Here
is?
she.
Yes, here is Suzanne. And what is she doing?
She's stretching.
How do we stretch, Hiba Fatma? Can you show me? Oh, exactly. When we wake up, so first we stretch. Yeah,
And then we
exactly.
yawn.
How do we yawn? Ah, amazing. Okay, and what about this baby? This baby. What is he trying to do? Baby
Baby
wants to
Get
get
out for
off his
of
hmm,
his pot.
very good. Baby wants to get out of his cot. Okay, so now it's time to ask some questions to Hiba Fatma. Okay, very good. So the
One.
first question is that what are some things that you can use to decorate your bedroom? Okay, Hiba Fatma, you need to take help from this picture and then you have to tell me.
Lamp.
Okay, you can use lamp.
Curtains.
Make proper sentences, baby.
Curtains.
Curtains, very good.
Clock.
Alarm clock.
Beads.
Beads, very good.
And pillow.
Okay, no, I don't think that pillow is used to decorate your room. Because it is essential. I
Picture.
think that yes, that's a poster. Exactly, you can use poster to decorate your room.
And clothes.
Clothes are not used to decorate your room.
Rug.
Yes, rug can also be used to decorate your room. Amazing. No, cupboard is also a furniture. No, 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 no. Okay, Hiba. Now tell me that what are some of the toys that you can see in this picture? Toys. Come on.
I can see
Hmm.
one teddy bear.
Okay,
I
cool.
can see another toy.
What is this?
Ball
Okay,
and ball.
okay.
And car
Is it
and
just a ball or is it a football?
football?
Yes, that's a football, right?
It's a car. It's
Yes.
a Joker.
Oh, it's a joker too. Amazing, Hiba. Bravo.
Five.
Okay, and now the last question we have is that things you do when you wake up. Okay, now you need to tell me something on your own. What is the one thing that you do when you wake up, Hiba?
Stretch.
Stretch. Okay, cool. And then what do you do? What do we call this?
Yawn.
Yawn. Okay, so how will you make your proper sentence?
I yawn.
And
I stretch.
when I wake up.
When I wake up.
Very good. Okay guys, so it's time to wrap up. We had a lot of fun. In this video, I tried my level best to combine all the basic English sentences and phrases that you can use with your kids at home. So today we have done enough, and inshallah ta'ala very soon we will come up with another exciting video. And Hiba Fatma is really tired now and she wants to take a nap, I guess, or maybe she wants to do something. Okay, so Hiba Fatma, can you say bye-bye to all of the viewers?
Bye.
Yes, and we will come back soon.
We will come back soon.